Here's 3 tweaks you can do to get abs quickly and efficiently. But first, let me show you 3 mistakes that stop you from getting abs. And after that, I'll show you the fixes and ways to practice as well as progress. So the first one is that they come up like this. You're not working your abs at all, you're just straining your neck this way. The second one is they look up when you do crunches, so like this. You're just making everything harder for yourself and you're not engaging the deep ab muscles that you need. And the third mistake is not engaging your abs prior to the movement at all. So just coming up like this with no tension whatsoever. You're not working your abs here either. So here's the 3 fixes. First, imagine your hands are like a hammock. So you lean into it, you are relaxing into your hands, okay? That will prevent neck strain. The second thing is, imagine folding from your ribs and not your abs. So what people usually think is that you have to come up from here, but you actually have to come up from here. So the highest you go is basically until the edge of your shoulder blade. And the third tweak to engage your abs more efficiently is pulling your pubic bone to your belly button. So right now I'm not doing that. And once I pull my pubic bone to my belly button, you will see my back imprint. So that's without the imprinting, and that's with the imprinting. Right now my abs are already engaging. So let's do our hand hammock. And inhale, exhale, and come up. And look right between your legs. Don't look here. Inhale, and exhale, come down. If you can't come up onto the edge of your shoulder blades, there's a few things you can do. So the first one is you can grab your legs, the back of your legs, and just hold it for a few seconds. The second one is let go of your legs and just hold it like this. The third one, have your arms go to the ceiling and hold. And if you want to progress and make your abs even stronger, the next one, the hardest, would be to come up and have your arms at the back. And come down. So by doing these tweaks, exercise and progression regularly, you get abs in no time. And if you want to try them out right away, check out my 2 ab workout videos, Angel Abs and Lower Belly Workout, that I've linked in the description below. Also, don't forget, you're stronger than you feel today and more glowing than you realize. Just like skincare from the inside out. Thank you for watching my video today, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!